Beautiful. Now to make the sauce. For the sauce, I have here a chicken stock, mushroom vegetarian stir fry oyster sauce, sweet sauce. Okay, the like sauce is like also the same like a Maggi, just a little bit. So I'm gonna to use this one, the chili sauce. And have here pepper. This I just make a simple dish for tonight. Salt. So here we have for the sauce, and for the rest I have here the chicken. I'm gonna cut it later. Have ginger, garlic, onion, egg, cucumber from the garden, and also tomatoes. And I have here the zucchini, the leftover, because it's before yesterday I also make the zucchini noodle. And here the paprika and some mushroom. So the first I'm gonna to do the chicken cut. So here the chicken already washed and cut it. Now we're gonna mix with the pepper, salt, the corn flour. Let's mix like this. Leave this one here, and then we cut the rest of the vegetable. So like you see, I already cut the cucumber, zucchini, the tomatoes, and here is garlic and ginger chopped. And this is the big onion, paprika, mushroom, and cucumber. So here we are. And for the egg, I use 1 egg. And then put it on top of the chicken. We're gonna marinate it and fry it first. I do the cooking oil. So I use butter and the sesame oil. This make it nice. So first I'm gonna to do this one, garlic, ginger, and onion. Smell is amazing here. A bit brown. I'm gonna to throw the mushroom and zucchini. So cucumber, paprika, and tomatoes. Make it easy cooking. So this one we leave here. Meanwhile, I'm gonna to do my chicken here because the oil already hot. One by one, otherwise you get the sticky and they are together. The sauce, so beautiful. And this glass is my favorite, so I use this often and use for cooking or baking. So we put it back here. Beautiful. And we wait for the chicken is getting there. And the vegetable for myself, I'm gonna to cook them is very quick. We like it crunchy, but because this one is for the kids and the husband, he loves soft food, so make it a little bit longer. But if you like the crispy crunchy vegetable, you just very quick and then it's done. So I guess this chicken already done. So already done. So beautiful. Okay guys, that is for today, and our dinner is ready, and of course there's rice, but not every day. So hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.